Good morning, students. Today we will be finding the area of composite shapes. Let's go ahead and look at problem number 1. Here you need to find the area of the shape below. Here you can go ahead and divide into two different shapes. First we'll find the area of the triangle here, and then next we'll find the area of the rectangle here. And last we'll combine both areas to find our total area. So you always want to start by counting the number of units of our base here on our triangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our base here for our triangle is 7 units. Next, let's find the height. Our height is 1, 2, 3 units. Okay, next let's go ahead and figure out the units of our rectangle. Our length here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. And our width is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now that we have all our dimensions, we can figure out the total area. So first, let's go ahead and figure out the area of the triangle by using the formula 1/2 base times height. Here, let's do 1/2 times our base of 7 times our height of 3. Well, what is 7 times 3? 21. And what is 21 times half? Here we get 10.5 centimeters squared for the area of our triangle. Next, let's figure out the area of the rectangle. Here we have a length of 7 centimeters and our width is 4 centimeters. Let's go ahead and multiply our length times our width. 7 times 4 is 28 centimeters squared. Now let's go ahead and figure out the total area by adding the area of the triangle and the area of the rectangle. Well, what is 10.5 centimeters squared plus 28 centimeters squared equals 38.5 centimeters squared. The total area for problem number 1 is 38.5 centimeters squared. Okay, next let's look at the second problem. Okay, so problem number 2. Let's go ahead and divide this shape into a rectangle and a small triangle. Let's first figure out the dimensions of the triangle. The triangle, we have a base of 1, 2, 3 units, and our height is 1, 2 units. Next, let's find the dimensions of our rectangle. Our length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units, and our width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Now that we have all of our dimensions, we can go ahead and find out the total area. So let's go ahead and find out first the area of the triangle by using 1/2 times base times height. We said our base is 3 units and our height is 2 units. Well, what is 3 times 2? 6. And what is 6 times 1/2? 3 centimeters squared. So the area for the triangle here is 3 centimeters squared. Next, let's find the area of the rectangle. Again, our length here is 8 centimeters and our width here is 5 centimeters. Well, what is 8 times 5? 40 centimeters squared. Now we can find the total area by adding. So what is 3 centimeters squared plus 40 centimeters squared? 43 centimeters squared. The total area here is 43 centimeters squared. Okay, so I'd like you to do the same thing for the next problems. For problem number 3, first find the area of the rectangle and then the triangle. Add them together to get your total area. Problem number 4, find the area of the rectangle and this triangle to get your total area. Same thing for number 5, 6, and 7. Make sure you are showing your work and also use the formula chart that I've attached for the area of the different shapes. If you have any other questions, I will meet with you on Zoom. Thank you and have a good day.